Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets like the great King did. So, I want to do a quick recap of my Apple trade today, and it's just like a little technical analysis of how I do my stuff, right? So, firstly, we do in top down analysis like in the pre market. I open up the daily charts, and we see that Apple is in a downtrend right here. We had this big push up, the rejection up here at 144, 145, and then we had this continuous selling off for a couple days, right? So going down to the 60-minute chart, you can see the sell off more clearly. And as Apple keeps rejecting these levels, big push down candle, a little retracement, rejecting the R4, pushing down again. And as we come down here, like in the pre-market and stuff like that, let's go down to the 30-minute chart. And I'm kind of rushing because I gotta go to work right now, so bear with me. So you see the trend is down. So we trend following, we're following the trend, right? So we're doing top-down analysis. So we come from the daily, the 60-minute, the 30-minute chart, and we just seeing the trend just keep on moving down. So now go down to the 15-minute. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, so I saw these levels right here as a target, right? So in the pre-market we was, what time is this? Yeah, like 8 o'clock. You can see the wick rejection right here. Let me see if I can make that a little bigger. So at 8 o'clock you see this wick rejection right here for the push-up. Big wick rejection, doji candle. And then at 9 o'clock, that's when the market, well, 9:30, but around 9 o'clock you see it's still pushing down. So let me switch over to the 15-minute so you can break that down a little bit more. Right, so we see the wick rejection right here. We see another wick rejection right here, and this is all in the pre-market. So boom, the market opens and it pushes up. So now a lot of people is thinking, well, yeah, this is the reversal, right? But not really. You gotta wait. If you trend following or you trend trading, you gotta follow what the market is doing. So why would you look for a reversal? You know what I'm saying? Well, that's my thoughts anyway. So coming down to the 5-minute, when we open, you see what I did. As we got up here, I took the short at the top, right, at this level right here that automatically sets on my charts. So I think this was yesterday's something, I can't remember. Let me just pull that up. Study config, price maker. No, not that one. Right, so that's yesterday's high or yesterday's low, right? That's the yellow line. So now I see it hit that line, and it's kind of like it's struggling to get through. And plus we already have the confluence of it's rejecting these levels, right? So boom, I just take a short position right here. Nothing too big because I'm still testing it out. So I let that ride. And when we break the pre-market low, then I went, like with a big position. Came down here, stopped out right here. Right, so we took that profit right there. Now it started to do some consolidation. I think I went let's see, I can't remember exactly the position I took. Yeah, but I think I did another short here or something like that, and I had to break even because it was pushing back up. So I had to wait a little bit. I was seeing the higher lows being formed, so I drew this trend line right here, and I was waiting for the break of the trend line to go short again. So at the break of the trend line, took the short, but then I had to cover for a small loss, right? So that ate into my profits a little bit. So I was like, all right, let me just be patient because it's kind of consolidating here a little bit. But I was thinking, you know what? Let me let it pull back a little bit, then go short. But then I saw some kind of price action here that made me jump in with a impulse move, right? So I took the short here, and I had to suffer all of this drawdown. Now I knew that my analysis was correct, right? So I held it. I put my stop loss, I think, like above here, above the structure, and I just told myself, well, you know what? I had to eat that loss if it come back, right? So I held. It rejected the pre-market low and started selling off. We broke the trend line, those higher lows. We broke that and just cascaded down. So you can see that's from what? From a short here at 134.67. I trailed my stop all the way down until 131.86. And that's my trade for today, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm a trend trader. Some people are scalpers and stuff like that, but I kind of find my niche in trend trading. So that was my trade today, y'all. It was a big trade, you know what I mean? So I decided to do a little recap for y'all. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yadiya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets like the great king did in ancient days. And stay tuned, y'all. I got more coming. Alright, blessings, y'all.